for joining me today for this week's Imagination collaboration with the Cochrane Public Library. Today's story is called The Thing That Lou Couldn't Do, and it was written and illustrated by Ashley Spires. And the story is about a group of friends who are having an adventure, and Lou is having a hard time taking part in that adventure. So today's activity kit is one that you're not going to want to miss. Make sure you check out the video for the story on the Cochrane Public Library social media, and then stop over at the Early On Child and Family Center to pick up your kit. You'll find it outside the main entrance, and this week, because it's the last Take a Kit Tuesday of March, this is what your kit is going to look like. So it's this wonderful reusable bag, and inside you'll find all sorts of things so that you can have your very own adventure. Show you. There's this piece of fabric. It's like a dancing scarf. It can be anything you want. You could use it on your head like a pirate kerchief. You could pretend it's some fire, the flames of a fire. Who knows what you can do with it? Just use your imagination. So that's one thing. Then there's a little bucket with some digging tools. Maybe you could dig for treasure, dig for fossils, dig for dinosaur bones on your adventure. We also have put in this fun piece of fabric. Again, it can be anything you can imagine. You can make a flag. You can tie it on your head. I don't know, what other ideas can you come up with? Then we also put in these pieces of fabric. You can color on them to decorate them. You can do whatever you'd like with them. You can have lots of fun on your adventure. We've also given you a handful of these clips. You can use them to attach your fabric to something. Who knows? Use your imagination. Okay, there's also a little book that you can write in or draw pictures in about the things that happen on your adventure. And we're giving you a pencil too. You have to sharpen it though. So this can help you keep track of your ideas. You're also getting this little kit. It has everything you need to make your own pair of binoculars. So you can look for birds, look for bugs, look for animal tracks on your adventures. You're also going to get one of these, a magnifying glass. You can play spy game. You can try to hunt for treasure. You can have all sorts of fun. And the last thing is a little bag with some little plastic containers. And the containers have lids. I'll show you up close. So you could put a bug in here and watch the bug. You could put potion in here and have an adventure game. And we've also given you some little toy bugs. Dragonfly, butterfly, and some shiny, colorful gems. So you can use your imagination and play with all of these things on your very own adventure. I hope you have a lot of fun with this kit. And thanks for watching. Remember to come over to the Early On Child and Family Center from 10 o'clock to 5:30. And if you can't make it today, just send us a message or give us a call and we'll put a kit aside for you. Bye everyone.